Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to add money to Phantom Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your Phantom Wallet using your extension or an application. From here, just have to log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, you just have to tap on this receive button right here. Tap on this one. From here, you can then choose what token or yes, you're going to use. So let's say for example, this one, the Solana. So just tap on this QR code. You can tap on this one. You can also go ahead and copy the address. So once you're done, just copy this and then go ahead and close and then go to your Binance. So just tap on here. So once you're here, just have to log into your account again and then just tap on this icon right here and then open the spot, which is this one. From here you can then see your estimated balance here. So if you have, you can then tap on withdraw on this and then you just have to select coin. So since we have selected Solana on the Phantom wallet, we're gonna put Solana here. And then from what we copied from Phantom wallet, we just have to paste it in here. From this one, we copy that and then go to Binance and paste the address here. And then you will then go ahead and put the amount. And then once you're done, just have to tap on withdraw. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!